Hi folks, let's chat about the 6 best products and what to keep in mind when you're thinking about buying one. We've ranked these products based on their performance, price, durability, and more. If you're curious to learn more, make sure to check out the description for additional details and the latest pricing. Philips Bodygroom Pro BG7025 Shot 15. The Philips Bodygroom Pro Series 7000 BG7025 TAC 15 is a premium all-in-one grooming tool that makes manscaping simple and efficient. With a 100% waterproof design, it can be used in the shower for added convenience. This device comes with a trimmer and shaver attachment, offering versatility for your grooming needs. The trimmer has 5 adjustable lengths, ranging from 3 mm to 11 mm, making it easy to maintain your preferred hair length. It's equipped with self-sharpening blades that ensure a precise and comfortable trim. The shaver attachment features a hypoallergenic foil that's gentle on the skin, making it perfect for sensitive areas like the groin. This foil helps to prevent irritation while still providing a close shave. Both attachments have rounded tips that help prevent nicks and cuts, ensuring a safe and comfortable grooming experience. The devices also feature a powerful battery that provides up to 80 minutes of cordless use after a full charge, ensuring that you won't run out of power during your grooming session. Overall, the Philips Bodygroom Pro Series 7000 BG7025 15 is a reliable and versatile grooming tool that's designed to meet your needs. Whether you're trimming or shaving, it's got you covered. Braun MGK7221. Braun features several times on our lists, but this model was deemed the best Braun of the bunch by our panel. It deals with everything from ear hairs to leg hair, providing a close and effective shave for all. It was experts at neatening up beards with precision too, with everyone finding it a doddle to achieve their desired facial hairstyles. It reached the back of the heads and tackled tricky areas around the groin with ease, leaving everyone satisfied with the result. It was also a favorite for designs that testers felt were high quality, with one saying that it was much better than their usual razor blade. It negates the need to constantly adapt settings. We found it makes it an absolute breeze to use on thick beards. On top of that, the lithium-ion battery holds its charge really well, and the 100 hours of running time should be plenty enough for a few weeks' worth of shaving without the need to recharge. Alas, the body grooming tools are much like many others on this list, namely manifesting in a variety of little plastic heads that need to be switched for each body part. It gets annoying, and it's straightforward to lose one of these down the back of the bathroom cabinets. We're also not sold on the foil-based body grooming heads, which are still guilty of snagging some more sensitive areas. Kensen. The Skin Guard trimmer is specifically designed for safely and effectively trimming sensitive areas such as the armpits, bikini area, and groin. It includes an adjustable comb attachment that ensures uniform hair trimming on the chest, legs, arms, and more. Regardless of the desired hair length, you can expect an even trim and a comfortable shaving experience, whether in the shower or during a dry shave. The trimmer is washable under running water, making it easy to clean. With a full charge, it offers 90 minutes of continuous shaving. The ergonomic design of this men's body trimmer includes a V-shaped head that quickly reaches narrow areas, ensuring every corner is trimmed without difficulty. The Skin Protective Blade. Technology helps reduce skin irritation on delicate areas, providing a close shave without pain, cuts, or nicks. Its compact size makes it convenient to carry and comes in gift box packaging, making it suitable for home storage and travel. This trimmer is the perfect gift for husbands, boyfriends, dads, and any other men in your life. REYOLL. The beveled R-shaped blade and skin-friendly ceramic ensure a close, comfortable shave without pulling, providing a gentle and precise trimming experience even on rough, curly hair. The absence of inconvenient edges ensures a smooth finish. The Manscaped trimmer stands independently for easy use, eliminating the need for a stand. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable shave, while its portability makes it ideal for travel. It has a built-in lock for added safety, preventing accidental activation during transport. The trimmer is IPX7 waterproof, allowing for easy cleaning and a fresh feeling after use. The efficient Type-C charging ensures that the Manscaped Body Groomer is always ready, providing up to 2 months of continuous usage on a full charge, depending on hair type and shaving frequency. The versatile 2-in-1 design allows for precise trimming of chest, leg, armpit, and groin hair, along with nose and ear care. 2 combs, 3, 6, 9, 12 mm, ensure safe and effective body hair trimming. Gillette Intimate. Many groin-specific groomers out there are all about shaving, which is fine if that's what you're going for. This trimmer, however, provides you with way more options. There are multiple length options thanks to the removable guard and another guard to help protect your skin to get a closer shave, though not as close as a wet razor. The blades itself are places closer than others to help prevent nicks and cuts on your most sensitive bits, which, let's get real, is a welcome innovation. This trimmer uses steel blades that stay sharp longer, which further helps reduce nicks and tugs while trimming, especially when combined with the new design with teeth spaced closer together. Even with the closest guard, it won't completely shave. We don't recommend using it with no guard on your groin or balls, but some users mention the combination pack with a traditional razor as an ideal combo. However, if you're not into the smooth, shaved look, but want to maintain some length, this trimmer is great. Easy cleaning, long battery life, and wet-dry functionality seal the deal. When it comes to groin trimming, we know that not everyone wants a completely shaved look, which many of the other options out there provide. This trimmer fills that white space by giving you options and functionality designed specifically for your undercarriage. While it may not be powerful enough to take to other parts of your body, it does what it sets out to do: give us a great nick-free trim on our groins. Groomer 2.0. The Groomer 2.0. Professional Body Groomer is a versatile grooming tool with a range of features to help you achieve a smooth, clean shave. It features a Propivot flexing head that moves in multiple directions, allowing you to get a close shave on any part of your body. The Groomer 2.0 comes with 3 different trimmer combs, so you can choose the length that best suits your needs. It also has wet-dry features, so you can use it in the shower for added convenience. In addition to its grooming capabilities, the Groomer 2.0 also comes with a free bonus foil, which is perfect for those times when you need a quick touch-up. Overall, the Groomer 2.0 Professional Body Groomer is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile grooming tool. Its Propivot flexing head, 3 trimmer combs, and wet-dry feature make it a versatile tool to help you achieve a clean, smooth shave on any part of your body.